We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city in Spain. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting and related names, Spanish words as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. It is located in the region of Galicia and is famous for being the final destination of a Christian pilgrimage throughout Europe. In Spanish, this is said as Santiago de Compostela. Santiago meaning Saint James, de Compostela, and now you know. Santiago de Compostela, and now you know indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from Spain and Spanish whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.